Hey, what's up guys? So today we're back working on a D21 and today I'm doing my brake pads and I'm changing my oil. So it's just a maintenance day, but I've been driving a lot of highway miles on the hard body. It takes me an hour to get to work every day. And as you know, I sold the Miata. So this is my only transportation at the moment. But you know, the hard body's been a rock solid daily. It's never let me down. But the maintenance on this thing is having to be upkept quite a bit. Forgive my garage guys in advance because I'm working on a little something over here. So there's tools everywhere, oil buckets and stuff. But anyway, these Cooper Cobra Radial GT tires have been great. They have been standing the test of time. This is a good tire. Like the tread has not worn out. It's been having them for like 3 months already. No loss of tread, no loss of grip. They still feel as good as they were when I got them brand new. Highly recommend it. Shout out to Napa. Check out the new fashion wear they hooked me up with. This one's dope. Thank you, Napa. Guys, look at the hard body across the street. All right, guys, so back to my brake pads. This is what we're looking like. As you can see, there's a bit of wear here, but they don't look too bad. Same with my rotors. I thought they were gonna look worse than this, but I like having good feel. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace them. So let's compare our new pads with these old ones here. All right, guys, so we're looking at our new pads, and obviously you know the brand name. You know it's Napa stuff, so let's open these bad boys up. What in the fuck? These are our pads. Check them out. Dude, Napa packages their stuff so good. Look at this. I'm so used to the pads just not having nothing. All right, guys, I don't know if the light's picking this up that well, but this is a comparison. And as you can see, this is our pad that's worn. And yeah, it's definitely bitten down a bit, but it's not too bad. Still got some life left. This is our new pad. You can see this one's thick and ready to go. So, all right, guys, as you can see, we got our new pad slapped on here. And it looks pretty dang good to me. I don't know, I just love the way fresh stuff looks on a car or vehicle. I don't know, fresh installed parts. Call me lazy, but I did not change this top piece here. I just find it pointless to change and take out, and it's annoying sometimes. Those things are a little finicky, but we're looking good. We looking good. All right, guys, you see we got our pads on there, but I'm gonna show you what I use to press this piston in. I use this bar clamp here, and you just get it lined up and you just squeeze, and it slowly puts pressure on that piston and gets it back to where it needs to be. Should be good. All right, so after we bar clamp that piston, you just wanna get this, oh, come on, go back a little bit, there you go, see? And we're all set here. And everything's back in place, and we just bolt everything back up and put the tire back on. All right, guys, so now we're changing our oil, and look at the blackness of this stuff. It's actually not that bad with the light on it, but still, it was time. It's due. So if you guys don't know, what I like to use is this Advanced Synthetic 1030 from Walmart. I've been using this in my truck forever, and haven't blown a motor yet, haven't had any issues with low oil pressure, leaking. My oil is always full, so I'll continue to use this, and then we're gonna go with this fuel injection cleaner from Lucas. Hopefully that helps with some of these highway miles and keeps us from burning plugs and stuff like that, and getting our fuel pump screwed up. And then we got the Napa oil filter. So I took off the cap for the wheel. The cap on the driver's side was rattling so bad I had to take it off. I couldn't go another day with hearing this shit rattle so much, so I took it off. Now it looks kind of funky, but whatever, it's work truck, right? Work truck vibes. Oh yeah, guys, if you don't know, I have a full video on doing brake pads and rotors. So if you guys want to see the full video, it's in the Nissan D21 section. So in that section, yeah, I have a video of me doing the whole brake pads and rotors step by step. So this is kind of just, I'm just shooting the ish with you guys, you know. All right, guys, so we're out here doing our brake test and testing our, just making sure we ain't leaking the oil, nothing like that. Sounds like I got a fucking rock in my tire. Nice and smooth. Oh yeah, yeah, we're good. It's nice and smooth braking. Tires feel a little weird. It's probably because I haven't started the truck in a while. Brakes feel pretty good. Something's up with my tire though. Feels like the truck got like some pull to the right, but it might be my brakes that are uneven. Maybe one of these calipers is not as good as the other one. That's what I'm starting to think. Freaking a-hole neighbor just speeding in the neighborhood like he ain't got no sense. All right, let's test it out down here. There's a lot of wind. I'm sorry, I got the window cracked. Let me get that window up real quick. There we go. Yeah, look at that shit. Car pull all the way to the fucking left. What the hell is going on here? Gotta make sure I'm good before I hop on that freeway. Because once you get on that highway, ain't no turning back. And once you get up to them highway speeds in this little ass truck, yeah, you gotta make sure you're solid. Let's get up to about 40, 50 miles an hour. Let's see what we got here. Okay, feels good braking at 45. All right, well, we're gonna call it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to watch that brake pad video, it's up there. Yeah, take care of your hard bodies, and yeah, man, just remember, this is the day and age where these trucks are getting extinct, so hang on to it. Don't matter how many check engine lights you got, don't matter how often you drive it, just hang on to it, because it's gonna be a classic. And one day people are gonna go, damn, I wish I got one of these hard bodies when I had the chance. That's why I'm keeping mine. All right, guys, see you later.